Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our class. Let's try and get to know each other. I posted an icebreaker on the discussion forum of Blackboard. Please read the instructions carefully and answer the brief questions I ask of each of you. This is not a graded discussion, but your participation in it will let me know that you are active in the class. Call it a first day of class roll call of sorts. I posted my brief introduction so you may see an example of a simple introduction. Your introduction may be a simple written paragraph introducing yourself and answering the questions, but your introduction may be a video or a sound recording. You may post a picture if you wish. Be as creative as you would like. After you posted your response to the forum by creating a thread, please reply to at least one other post. You may simply say hi or hey or what's up, hopefully a little bit more. So let's have fun and let's get to know each other. Please post your response and reply no later than Wednesday, April 4th, 2018 by 11:59 p.m. See you in the discussion board. Best, Samuel Cortez.